Okay, good morning everyone. This is yet another completed project by Prostar Technica. As you can see here, we have 5 kV inverters which are connected 10 kV per phase. This one is one phase, this one is the second phase and the third phase. The reason why we did this solution like this is because this is an hospital. The facility is an hospital, and there are some machines here that requires 3 phase to run. Like you have the elevator and some other clinical equipment that is yet to be brought to the site that uses 3 phase. That's the reason why we have to make this machine to work on 3 phase. And on the panels, we have 550 watts panels. That's what we installed. And as it is, we have 12 in each, a total of 72 panels, which is giving us about 39.6 kilowatts generated on peak sun. Then with the storage system on this thing, just 45 kilowatt, 60 kilowatts storage system. The reason why we not go more on storage system is because this facility runs more on the daytime, which we now concentrated on getting more panels to sustain the load during the day. Then at night, because it depends on if they have patients at night, and with what the design was like maximum 2 ACs, which is the one taking care of the IT equipment, and possibly maybe they have somebody to attend to, but maybe 3 ACs at night maximum. And this system is wired in such a way that if there's grid during the day, the grid will not come in, which is the system will not charge with grid. Then at night, if the battery is less than 10%, grid cannot come in, just to ensure that the system works 24 hours optimally without any shutdown. So here I cannot say I did this solution on my own. I have other colleagues who are also engineers like me. We have one of them here, which is name is Otuke, and my other colleague Joseph, who is based in Port Harcourt, and others. So thank you, and follow us if you need more information about this installation. You can still call the number you are seeing right here. So we can also direct you on what to do, and also if you want to have installation that is massive like this, we can also do it for you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mr. Emil. So thank you for this brief explanation. So for those of you that are still following us, our faith that you will have more. Thank you. God bless.